Sorry, something went wrong for solutions. Please visit. Getting the sorry something went wrong error, don't worry, here are quick fixes. So, first, go ahead and refresh the page or app. Log out and log back in. So, often that's all it takes. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is to go ahead and clear your cache and cookies. So go ahead and close the app and then long press the app icon and then click on this eye icon, and that will take you to the app info. So on the app info, go ahead and wait for this to load. Click on this clear data button and then select clear cache. This removes corrupted data causing the error. Third thing you can do is to check your internet connection. So open your control center and then check if you are connected to an internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. And the last thing you can do is to go ahead and update your app. So update your app or browser. Outdated versions often trigger this error. And that is how you can basically resolve sorry something went wrong for solutions. Please visit.